begin with chapter number 18 from your economics book of grade 11, and the name of the chapter is Measures of Center Value. So in this chapter, numerous calculations are there, and that is what is important for your exam. So what is the meaning of average defined? An average is a single value that is representative of all the items in a series. So it is a number that is representative of a set of data. An average is sometimes called a measure of center tendency because individual value of the items in a series usually cluster around it. Thus, the average is a single value that represents the whole group. So we can say it, an average is a single value within the range of the data that is used to represent all the values in the series. Since an average is somewhere within the central range of the data, it is sometimes called measures of the central value also. Next, what are the types of averages we are having? We are having mathematical averages and we are having positional averages. So mathematical averages are those averages which are calculated by taking into account of values of all the items in a series. Arithmetical, or you can say arithmetic average or mean in a geometric mean and harmonic mean are such mathematical averages. What is a positional average? Positional average is the average average of value which depends on the position of items rather than the values of the items, that is median. Okay, then we are having the median, quartile and mode are the averages of the position. Now let's come to the arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean means we are coming to the mathematical averages. Under that we are having the arithmetic mean. So the arithmetic mean is the number, yes, arithmetic mean is the number which is obtained by dividing the sum, that means the total of the values of all the items of a series by the number of the items. The arithmetical mean is the amount secured by dividing the sum of the value of the items in the series by their number. Thus, arithmetic mean is a set of n numbers, that means endless numbers. Okay. Next we are having, there are two types of arithmetic mean. One is a simple arithmetic mean and one next is the weight arithmetic mean. So while calculating a simple average, all items of a series are given equal importance because they are considered equally important. Weight arithmetic mean, many a time relative importance of different items is not the same. In such case, the average must reflect the relative importance of different items in a series. For this purpose, we compute weight arithmetic mean. The term weight stands for the relative importance of the different items. What are the methods of calculating this simple arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean can be calculated by simple methods depending upon the type of statistical series. First is individual series, or we are having the frequently distributed series or discrete series. Okay, we are having all this different kind of calculations. Next we are having calculation of the frequently distributed series. How to do that? It is a continuous series of data and the data is classified into a grouped frequencies. That is, data is classified into the different class intervals like 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, etc. Okay, along with their corresponding class frequency, in the continuous series, arithmetic mean can be computed by using in any of the following three methods. One is the direct method, shortcut method, step deviated method. What is the direct method? Direct method of estimating mean is a continuous series using the following formula. Here we are having the formula given. So what is the explanation of this formula? M is the mid value of the various classes. Let us take an example. It will be better for us. The following table gives the mark of English secured by the students of the marks in English secured by the students of a class in their midterm examination. So the marks you can see they have first divided in the intervals. What are the intervals? That is 0 to 10. These are the frequency intervals we are having, right? Class intervals, sorry. These are the class intervals. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. So when 5 students got between that, 10 students, then we are having 25 students, 30 students, 20 students, and again we are having 10 students. Now how to calculate it? You can see the marks. Again, the class intervals are written as marks. Then we are having this F, that is the number of students. The same thing they have copied the question. Next, they are now calculating the mid value. As they calculate the mid value, what they are doing? 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, multiply the mid value and frequency. Mid value is M, that is 5, and frequency is 5. So, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Next, we are having 10 to 20. So, 10 plus 20 by 2. That is, after the calculation is solved, we will get 15. So 15 into 10, we are getting 150. Like this, the entire calculation is done. So what are the total number of students we are having? Under the, you can see there is a sigma f given, that is the total of the frequency, that is 100. And what is the total mark scored? That is, you can see how much they have scored, right? 3300. Now, applying the formula, that is x is equal to sigma f m by sigma f, we are finding that 3300 divided by 100, that is 33. So the average marks of each student, average marks of the students is around 33. There can be, you can say, there can be somebody who got better marks than this, or somebody who got less marks than this, but the average marks of all the students is 33. Okay, there is a shortcut method. The shortcut method is, we can just write A and frequency FD by frequency F. How to do that? In the shortcut method. In the shortcut method, first of all, the marks we have to write. Marks means the class interval we are having, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, we are writing that. Number of students also we are writing, we are summing it up also. Mid value we have to find out. Mid value we have to find out. And after that we have to do the calculation, that is derivative from the assumed mean. Okay. Then we will get the multiplication of derivative of and the frequency FD. Then we can apply this short formula. Okay, next we are having how to calculate, just a minute, yes, how to calculate, no, not this part. We are not going to study all the pages as per the bifurcated syllabus. Yes, calculate the weight arithmetic mean. We have so far discussed about the simple arithmetic mean. It is a computation of the simple arithmetic mean. Each item of the series is given each importance, but in many cases all the items may not be of equal importance, as the relative importance of the different items in a series might be different. So items may be relatively more important than the others. For instance, a household may give a different importance to different items of their family expenditure depending upon how much monthly expenditure is incurred on those items. So weight arithmetic mean therefore refers to the average when different items of a series are given different value or weight according to their relative importance. So the formula is given. right? The formula is x, that is indicating weight arithmetic mean, and there is sigma, that is total. W is standing representing for the weight attached to the different items of the variable, that is W, and we are having x. X is representing the values of the variable. How do we calculate this? Find the weight mean of the marks obtained by the student if he secures, this is a single person, right? If he secured 70, 50, 60, 80 and 54 marks in English, Commerce, Economics, Mathematics and Hindi. Weight attached to the subject are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, first they have told us about the English. So, you can see in the subject list, English, Commerce, Economics, Maths and Hindi is there. According to the series they have told, it is just has to be written in the same series. Okay, marks they have also told 70, 55, 60, 80 and 54. In the same series it is written. Subject weight. What is the weight of the subject? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. First we have to add up what is the weight. So as we are adding up the column, we are getting 11. Now W and X is getting multiplied. W and X is getting multiplied. After that we are getting the last column, that is this column, yes, WX, right? So we are adding that together. So now we are putting the formula X W is equal to sigma, or the total WX by again sigma or total W, that is 734 divided by 11. So this is the weighted mean of marks is 66.72 marks. Hopefully you understood this much. Thank you.